Alright, so what is up guys? In the previous session we learned about variables, how to declare variables using the local keyword. Well, in this session we'll be understanding what are data types and basically how we can use them in our Roblox Studio. So data types are the types, like you can tell what type of data you're assigning to a variable. In Roblox Studio we have a Luau programming language. We have three data types, namely number, string, boolean. So these three data types help us identify what kind of data is assigned to a variable. So here I've written A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 variables with different data types, and the variable A has 10, which is a number, and the variable B has a string. So whenever you write sentences in double quotes or whatsoever, like which involves a lot of characters or alphabets, it's called a string. If you were to write a single letter, it's also called as a string. If you were to use boolean data types, in boolean data types we have only two datas, which are called as true and false. So these true and false are used in conditional statements. In the future videos I'll be explaining what are conditional statements. For general idea, if I were to create a conditional statement, it will be somewhat like this. So if condition then end. So in place of condition we'll be using true and false. So if I were to do like this, because if D then do something here. So this is a general idea of a conditional statement. For now, don't worry about it. Just have in mind that there are three data types in Roblox Studio. So removing this, moving on, I've created the variable f with the data 16.2, and that is also a number. So whenever you put a number, that's the data type of that is a number, and if you were to put true false, it's a boolean. If you were to put a single letter or multiple letters in double quotes or single quotes, it's called as a string in Roblox Studio. So if I were to check what type of data type or what type of data is assigned to a variable, I will use a keyword called type inside of the print statements, and I will put the variable inside of this bracket, inside brackets. So if I were to print this, it will say number. Let's try for D, variable D, it's true. It should print boolean. So let me run it once again. It says boolean, and if I were to go back and maybe let's say F, wait, not F, maybe let's say C, it's going to say string. Yes. Alright, so summarizing this, we have three data types in Roblox Studio: number, string, boolean. Boolean has two datas, which are true and false. True and false are used in conditional statements, also called as if-else statements. And in the future videos, I'll be explaining what are if-else statements. Don't worry about it for now. And number data types, they consist of numbers. It's in the name itself. String consists of multiple alphabets or single alphabets. And well, yeah, that was it for data types. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.